After setting up the default settings for the business details, the next step is to set up the value-added tax or VAT rate. To do this, navigate to the Setup menu, then 1. Default information, and 2. General. On this screen, click the Edit command. The first section is the year representation. The program offers two options for the year format, Thai and English. The choice the user makes will affect how dates are displayed within the program and on any printed documents. For this example, we will select the Buddhist era. In the second section, VAT rate, users need to indicate whether the business is registered for VAT. If the business is registered, it's essential to set the VAT rate in the program, as this percentage will be used to calculate sales tax. Currently, the VAT rate is 7%. For businesses that are exempt from VAT, this section can be set to 0%. In this example, the standard rate of 7% will be used. The third section, Price Type, refers to the type of sales pricing your business typically uses when presenting prices to customers. The program offers three options: tax included, which means the sales price already includes the applicable tax; tax excluded, indicating the price is before VAT is applied; and tax exempt, which allows businesses that are exempt from VAT to enter 0 in this section. Select the appropriate option based on your business practices. The fourth section, Prorate Input Tax, determines whether you can claim back the full amount of tax on your purchase invoices. If you set this section to Y, it indicates that you cannot reclaim 100% of the tax. In this case, you will need to specify the percentage that is refundable and the percentage that is non-refundable. For example, you might be eligible for a 70% refund while 30% is non-refundable. This setup allows the program to calculate both refundable and non-refundable amounts for all documents relating to purchase tax. The 70% refundable amount will be recorded as rate refundable, while the 30% non-refundable tax will be classified as rate non-refundable. If all the tax is 100% refundable, you should set this section to N. If the business has both situations, where some purchasing tax is 100% refundable and others are not, users should set section 4 to A. This option prompts the program to ask the user each time a new document related to purchase tax is created, displaying the three lines in section 4 to determine if the purchase invoices are fully refundable. For this example, we will set it to N, indicating that it is 100% refundable. Section 5, Authorized Level for Approval, determines the users who can certify documents that have been created, printed, or reviewed, and do not require further modifications. By clicking the certification command, the document will be logged for editing. The program categorizes approval levels into three: Level 0 for employees, Level 5 for department heads, and Level 9 for administrators, which is the highest level. You can assign the appropriate number to each user to grant approval rights for specific documents. For example, if you want Level 0 users to approve a document, you would enter the number 1. Entering 0 would leave the section blank, indicating no approval is needed. Conversely, if you require the highest level users to approve a document, you will enter the number 9. In Section 6, Approve Method, this determines whether a document that has been edited and saved requires approval before printing. If you enter 1, the document can be printed immediately without any approval. If you enter 2, the document must be approved before it can be printed. Leaving this section blank allows for both options, meaning the document can be printed with or without approval. In Section 7, Authorized Level for Reprint, this determines whether a document that has already been created, saved, and printed can be printed again without any approval. If you want to control the number of duplicate prints or prevent unauthorized changes, you can set the approval level for reprinting the document. This ensures that any duplicated prints require the necessary authorization before proceeding. In Section 8, Separate VAT Type in Item, some businesses may sell two types of products, those subject to VAT and those exempt from tax. If you need the program to differentiate calculations for these two products types on the same bill, enter Y in this section. Once set to Y, the program will automatically calculate VAT for the taxable products while excluding VAT for the exempt ones whenever both types are included in a document. For this example, we will leave the section blank. After making changes on the screen, click the disk icon to save the information. Then select OK to confirm. Finally, click the X in the top right corner to exit the Setup General default.